Careful, careful. He loves cats.
He loves cats so much.
He giggles every time he sees her face.
You like Mochi? Yeah? Oh! Are you okay, buddy? That was a lot of puke. The aftermath. Someone ate the streamer and puked. More than likely, it's probably Azul. Soul is sleeping, and we're gonna go to brunch to celebrate our anniversary. It's a new year, new me. Fried chicken, masala toast. He just pulled it over his head. He loves it.
Oh, you bitch got him touch my hand.
Oh, he's loving it, KK. Corinne's having a tea party, and right now we're thrifting to find some things. I kind of like that it's cream,
like, yeah, me too.
and if you just have it over the wood,
Yeah,
that'd be really nice. And guys, look at all this china. All right, I'm in the shoe section, and look at how amazing these snake skin boots are. I tried them on, and I have too thick of calves, but oh my god, they're so cute. Where was the other one that I was looking at? A vintage Nordstrom little loafer. Do you see this leather jacket? It's so beautiful. 25 bucks. Oh my god, Corinne, get it.
Oh my god, I have to get
Get it, get it, get it.
I have to get this.
You are still welcome.
Thank you. My friend just found it.
Oh my god, it's double-breasted too.
And it's double-breasted.
Yes. Oh my god, I'm the best. I'm the best. What's in here? Ooh, $5. Ooh. And I've been looking for a new coffee table, and this is pretty much perfect. I like the smoky glass as well as the brass, but it's $50. It's kind of expensive, but it's beautiful.
It's artichoke.
I just got the okay from Stefano that we can get it, because it's only $50. So I'm gonna get it. Corinne is watching the boy, so I can load it in the Mazda. Let's do this. Bangs check. It's 5 o'clock and they close at 4:30, but I was able to sweet talk her to open the door for me and let me purchase it. So I pulled up in the back. It's happening. You guys, this is why it pays to be a nice individual. I could not have carried this by myself, but there were 2 construction workers there and they helped put this in there, and they even suggested putting this in the front so that doesn't get messed up. So hopefully Los Solecito's gonna be okay. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, our place is a mess because we finally got boxes and we are packing up to move. Soul's crying right now, so I will reflect in a second. Hold on. There you are. What I was saying was, this morning I woke up super anxious just because I used to be a packing pro, but packing with a baby who's teething and really needy is very hard. Stefano is like really busy with work, so I just felt like it's my responsibility to just get things done, and I was just really overwhelmed. But Stefano, being the amazing husband that he is, calmed me down. We got filled, we feel better. And now that we're finally packing, I'm looking around and I'm just getting really sentimental because of the fact that, don't mind his little bald spot. I'm just getting really sentimental because I feel like I have grown into a even more powerful woman since when we first moved here. We moved here a year ago, and I was still pretty early on in the pregnancy and still dealing with my own anxiety of being pregnant and the uncertainty of what it's gonna be like being a mom. And then I really just had to face my own insecurities head on, and I did a lot of meditation and yoga in this room, and I really worked my butt off. Hi, baby. I really worked my butt off in this place for HellaJam. There's just a lot of happy tears, sad tears, overcoming tears in this home, and I've just grown so much. And then of course I became a mom, and our first days, the first moments of his life was here, you know? So I'm taking a moment, taking a little note from Marie Kondo and thanking this home for everything that it's given me, and thanking this home for keeping us all safe and together, and just to keep our love alive and keeping us healthy and just serving us so well. So I try to do that every time I move out of a place and take a moment to reflect, but at the same time, instead of me sulking and, you know, missing the past and sulking in the past, I'm very excited for this new beginning. I'm excited to move into a single family home, have a backyard for disco, and redecorate, and just kind of hopefully stay there for a while until we buy a home. So I was gonna do like a packing video, but to be honest, it's just been crazy. Maybe I'll be able to do it when my head's on straight. I know you guys will still support me and like be appreciative of any videos that I put out there, because you guys are amazing. Yeah, we'll see, maybe we will. But just so you know, so sad, but so exciting. You wanna dance with mommy? I love you. I know you love me too. I love you. Also, peep this new table that we thrifted. I'm excited to decorate it. It's time for a closet purge. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Those are all my jackets. Those are like my dresses, long sleeves. This is disgusting. So get excited, closet purge. What was in there? Well, no, this is the nursery, so there's that. What was important that was supposed to be in there? Do you know, bud? I know, Mom forgot. I don't know either. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to everything that you do. Oh, Soul, this is so sad. Say goodbye to your nursery.